visualizing a boy playing with his friends in the neighborhood. They run into this house, walk in and out of those houses, imagining adults leaning against the fence, chatting and watching their children run and play. These fond memories reflect the homeowner's childhood experience and the relationship with his mother. After decades apart, growing up and working abroad alone, the homeowner wishes to return to a home in Bangkok that accommodates both him and his mother. A house that suits two people and coexists with their ages and needs. The designer decided to separate the entrance layout due to the different activities and lifestyles of the owners. Different entrances to the house allow the multiple generations to access their rooms, while a shared gathering area opens up in the center of the house. The gardens on both sides provide abundant natural light and ventilation. The reflection house gets its name from the client's childhood memories. Designed by the architects at Thailand-based AUN Design Studio, it was built on a limited land area, on the same ground as the original house. The interior style is minimalist, focusing on few pieces of furniture. The house is further expressed with a simple material palette of exposed concrete and neutral colors, allowing a more subtle integration with its context. The architects organized the home between two living areas across two levels. The elderly mother's home is located on the ground level, while the upper level is designated for the son and his young family. The perforated steel sheet staircase is located in the center of the house as a sculpture. Since the stair is semi-transparent, it does not feel closed in or uncomfortable for the users. The steel sheets are well curated and geometrically folded to make the thin sheets even stronger. Thus, the stair becomes a self-supporting platform without any additional support. A living room with a small balcony accommodates a larger space for entertaining. As the young man loves entertaining his childhood friends, a small bar is located next to the kitchen on the upper floor. The guest bathroom is hidden behind the bar. The bedroom, on the opposite side of the workroom, offers different external views. Above the closet, there is a relaxation area for yoga and meditation. The closet and bathroom connect the bedroom to the workspace. The reflection house stands out for its uniquely sloping roof and timber-screened facade, which shelters the carport. The low height of this street-facing timber volume matches the scale of its neighbors, thus providing a more gradual transition between the sidewalk and the tall body of the rest of the house.